Take one ounce or 2 ounces, put it in the water, leave it for 2-3 days, and it's very easy to grow up. For the chickens, it's very nice to give it one times, just this one if you keep it in the cages. Or the chicken's house, you keep it and give it the grain or grasses. Or you have some grasses. Yeah. Put them 2-3 days in the water and make the grasses and the pots or anything you want to keep it and give it for the chickens. Yeah. Easy and simple. Anything you want to carry on to make something for something healthy and good for eggs, for everything, for chickens. I put them. This one. Yeah, full, half, not full. Now I have some grain. Put in the water for 2 days and starting to grow up and putting here to make for the chickens. Now starting it's on to fill up half. Now putting again. Now I put some ground on top. And just okay. And I leave. And for 3 days, 3-4 days, but the grain is carrying on to open. It started and grown up. To grow up, this one is much better to carry on and see. Yes. Yeah. So And now leave it in 3-4 days, and I put it in all just one and chicken's place to eat in. And take off, leave it for 1 week and grown again, and you give it the grass and everything. If you like my video, please share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.